In this video, I hope to give you solution how to fix your hard disk errors and how to scan your hard disk errors using CHK DSK. Especially most people think this is not working for them. Especially they are not run as administrator. Especially you must load CMD command prompt as administrator account and run as administrator. After completion of that, you must launch chk dsk command with f parameter. When you are running f parameter, it will ask it cannot be done, but after restarting it will be automatically loading function. You must give yes and you must exit and restart your computer. After restarting your computer, it will launch when repeating point, restarting point. Especially you can see here Windows is loading and scanning and repairing drive. Don't turn off your computer. Please let it to complete and let it to scan and repair your drive. Thanks for watching my YouTube videos. Remember to subscribe my YouTube channel to get new technical updates.